Today we look at the question number 167 from Leetcode top interview 150. So this is a two sum question. So based on the description, we just need found the two numbers from this sorted array that matches the target number. So, for example, in this array, integer array, so 2 plus 7 equal 9. So the answer is, because the index is 1 based, starts with 1, so the answer is index 1 and 2. So the specification for this array is it's sorted, is non-decreasing. So the number is either the same as the previous index or it's larger. So the solution for this problem is actually very easy. So we will just start from the first index and the last index of this array. Then we will add those two numbers together. Then we will comparing the sum with the target number. So if it's larger than the target, since this integer array is sorted, means we have to move the right point back to the lesser number, the previous number. So if the sum of the left index and the right index is smaller than the target, then we will just have to move the left index forward to increase the number. So we will find the solution to match the target number. So this is basically you have 2 points. It's a 2-point problem. Basically, instead of starting off from beginning, you will have 1 point start at the very beginning of the array, and the 1 point starts at the very end of the array. So next we will look at the C# implementation of the solution. So now we look at the C# implementation for this problem's solution. So we already discussed the solution is to use 2.1 as at the beginning of the array, 1 as at the end of the array. So we assign the left index starts with 0, and the right index starts at the end of the array, which is the length of this integer array minus 1. Then we give a sum to get the addition of those two numbers in the array. And then we have an interarray to store the answer to this question. So as long as those two index don't meet, then we will continue this loop to find our solution. So the sum, we first add those two numbers together. If we found a match, then we just break out the loop and we assign the index to the answer array. And since we specified that the index starts at 1, so we will just add a 1 to both indexes. So when the sum is greater than target, we will move the right point backwards and to get a smaller number. So if the sum is lesser than target, then we will move the left index forward to get a larger number. Then at the end of, we will just return the answer array.